Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Guys, as we all know, this is a very festive season, and also this month stands for the most precious month in my life because it's your girl's birthday this month and there's a whole lot to be celebrated. Since this month is my birthday month and also Christmas, I would like to call this month December to remember. Oh yes, it's indeed December to remember. And with that being said, I want to seize this opportunity to wish each and every December born here a very happy birthday. Not forgetting myself as well. And I would also like to wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We hope that next year brings us so much good and so much happiness and also strong faith in God. Ingredients for today's cake include 220 grams of brown sugar, plain yogurt, which is 110 grams. We have 30 grams of groundnuts, 30 grams of white granulated sugar, vanilla essence, which we use 3 tablespoons. This is 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We have half tablespoon of salt and baking soda. We have 1.5 tablespoons of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of allspice. We also have 30 grams of cornstarch. We have 200 grams of blended fresh pineapple. We have 200 grams of grated carrots, 200 grams of vegetable oil. We have 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and then 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So we'll pour in the sugar and this as well. I'll add in the oil. We are going to add in the eggs. Then I'll add in the blended pineapple, 3 tablespoons of vanilla essence. Place in the whisk. Add in the rest of the ingredients, which is the yogurt, and then whisk everything together until it's combined. So we are going to add in the dry ingredients. This is the flour. Then we sift it. When it gets to this stage, we start adding the rest of the ingredients: the cornstarch, baking powder. The nutmeg will be the last, so baking soda, salt, the 3 spices, and then we sift onto the rest of the ingredients. This is why we sift, because there is always going to be
kind of lumps in it, and if you don't sift it, will mix up with the cake and you won't even notice. You'll rather bite into it, and that is baking soda, so you don't want it that way. I'm going to add in the nutmeg, and then we'll mix everything together. So this is the cake batter. I'm going to add in the carrots, and then we are going to mix until it's combined. So this is our pre-prepared cake tin and also our cupcake tins here. We are going to make just 3 to 4 pieces of cupcakes from this. So I'm going to fetch the first one here. So this is the cake batter. We are pouring it into our 8-inch baking tin, covered in parchment paper. These are the cakes we are about to place into our oven for 40 minutes, and then we'll continue from there. So we are going to allow it to cool, and then we decorate.
Before we continue, I would be very happy if you can subscribe to the channel right now, because it serves as a source of encouragement for me to continue posting more and giving you quality content. I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now, and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe.
So this is our carrot cake, and these are our carrot cupcakes here. I'm going to frost the top bit with just a little bit of frosting for decoration. Since this is a cake we are just eating at home, I don't want to frost it that much and overly decorate it as well. Since it's Christmas, I want to write something small. So this is it. I'm going to decorate cupcakes. This is 1, 2, and then we'll skip 1. So we are doing the third one. So I'm going to add a decoration here made by my kid bro to signify what cake exactly we do. These are our cakes. So we are going to add carrot designs here. And this is the cake. I'm going to cut into the cake here. And this is how it looks like. This is how it is. Look at how soft. And this is one of the cupcakes. So soft and very, very delicious. Merry Christmas to you as well. This festive season, I hope it brings you joy, love, and you're able to share with all your friends and loved ones as well. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This festive season, I want to use this opportunity to let you know that Beloved Catering Service is having a promo where we are going to give some discounts on ordered baked goods from us. So you can check that out on the channel on our community section where the flyer is. If you are in Ghana, this is your opportunity to grab something delicious from our end, and I promise you are going to enjoy it. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.